The following is Spring 2011 Math 115 Test 3. In this video, I will do number 4, number 5, and number 6. Number 4, simplify. Notice in the following that in the grouping symbol here, nothing to combine, and the grouping symbol there, nothing to combine. So what we will do next is to distribute -3 into the first group and -8 into the second group. Let's do it. Now when you do the distribution, you need to be careful not only with the numbers but also with the sign. You are distributing, for example, the second term here, you are distributing -3 into -7x. Okay, that one you need to be careful. What I will do next is to combine like terms. The x cubed term, this one and this one here, it will be -28x cubed, okay? And then the second one is the x squared term, it's standing by itself, plus 24x squared, and then after that the x term, which is by itself, right? This is a plus 21x, and then the constant term, which is plus 41. Okay, so basically what we do in this number 4, only 2 steps. We distribute it and then combine like terms. Number 5, multiply this binomial by that trinomial. Now here what I will do, I will distribute the 3x to that group, and then after I'm done with distributing 3x with that group, I will distribute -2 to the same group. Okay, so the first one, 3x times 9x squared is 27x cubed. 3x times 6x is plus 18x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. Now you see I'm done with distributing 3x to the group, right? And then I go on with distributing -2 to that group. It's -2 times 9x squared is -18x squared. -2 times 6x is -12x. -2 times 4 is -8. What I will do next is, before I go on, I think you really want to check how many terms we have. We have 2 terms here multiplied by 3 terms there. In total we should have 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then from there you combine like terms again. The x cubed term, that's the highest term, that's alone, so I just copy that down. The x squared term, they cancel. Okay, they cancel, so I won't write it down. The x term, oops, let me use that. The x term, they also cancel, so I won't write it down. And finally, -8. Okay, now you will see this actually, in future you will see that this is actually a special factoring also. That's the difference of cube. But we won't worry about that right now. We just learn to multiply this, and then we see as long as you do it correctly, then the second term, the x squared term and the x term cancels. Okay, but not all binomial times trinomial will have that case though. Only in this case happens to be fit that pattern. Now number 6, simplify 5x minus 8y quantity squared. Now I want to remind you that in this question, we would like you to remember that these follow the following pattern. A minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Something that I require you to memorize. Okay? Now, so when you do the expansion of this, it will be 5x being squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared, following the pattern there. Okay, now you don't have to write this down if you know it right away. Some people can do it without writing it down, but if you can't follow that, then you do this. Okay, you do this. Now the next thing I will do is to compute this. I will get 80xy plus 64y squared. Now here you are done. Okay, but some people cannot handle this. Now in case during the test you cannot handle doing it with this pattern, then you go more primitive way, more conservative way. It is by rewriting it as the product of two binomial. It's okay? And then from here you FOIL them. In the end you will get the same answer. The first term is 25x squared. The FOIL, the outer 5x times negative 8y is negative 40xy. The third term, negative 8y times 5x, also negative 40xy. Right? And then the last terms, negative 8y times negative 8y, is plus 64y squared, which if I combine the middle term, the middle like terms, I will get what I have on the top. Okay, this is for Spring 2011, Math 115, Test 3, number 4, number 5, number 6.